Himachal Pradesh is called Dev Bhumi, the land of gods. Nestled in the Himalayas, it's a place of incredible beauty. Snow-capped peaks touch the sky, green valleys stretch for miles. The air is fresh and clean, perfumed by pine forests. Rivers and streams flow through the mountains. Ancient temples dot the landscape. Friendly people welcome visitors with open arms. Himachal is a feast for the senses. Himachal Pradesh has something for everyone. Towering mountains dominate the landscape. Peaks like Rio Purgil stand tall and proud. Lush green valleys like Kulu Valley are a sight to behold. Dense forests cover the hillsides. Oak, pine and deodar trees stand tall. Apple orchards blossom in the spring. The air is filled with the scent of wildflowers. Himachal experiences distinct seasons. Each season paints the landscape in new colors. Summer brings warm sunshine and clear skies. It's ideal for trekking and exploring the mountains. Monsoon season transforms the hills into a lush paradise. Waterfalls cascade down the mountainsides. Winters bring snowfall. The landscape becomes a winter wonderland. While popular destinations like Shimla and Manali are breathtaking, Himachal also has hidden gems. Tirthan Valley is a haven for nature lovers. It offers trekking, fishing and stunning views. Kabir is a quaint village with apple orchards and stunning views of the Dauladar range. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into the untouched beauty of Himachal. They provide a peaceful escape from the crowds.